Range Rover Sports are undoubtedly one of the best looking SUVs that money can buy on the road today. Now what's important, if you're looking in the used car market for one, is that the car was spec'd right from factory with that nice configuration of colour combination, optional extras and features that you would like to see on a car of this value. Now this car, in my opinion, has been spec'd originally from the factory in the ideal specification. The colour, Santorini Black. It's a D300 Dynamic SE plus options, black pack, sliding pan roof, upgraded 22s, red brake calipers, and you might have caught a glimpse of that interior. That's light cloud interior, and when we go into there you'll see it's got a nice contrast between light cloud and ebony. So it's a great looking car, 23 plate and 23,000 miles, but I think it just sits lovely. You've got the full black exterior with the black badges, the gloss black wheels, but then you've got those nice red brake calipers to break it up. These wheels in particular are 22-inch Saturn SV wheels. It's also got fixed side steps. Sliding pan roof for me is a great piece of spec on a Range Rover in any model, but specifically on the Sport. First glimpse at the interior. So now you see what I mean by you've got a nice combination of cloud and ebony. Those rear seats, by the way, on the outer edge, they're heated as well. So instead of just having one colour block of cloud or one colour block of ebony, you've got a nice contrast. Those fixed side steps will come in handy, especially if you have children in the family as well. Now a Sport, in my opinion, is one of the best looking models in the Land Rover lineup, sorry, but it's still very practical as well. So you've got huge boot space, air suspension on the front where you can control different heights, but then you've also got your controls from the rear here if you need to put those seats down for something slightly more abnormal that you might carry on the daily. But suitcases, luggage, wherever it might be, will go in there, no problem. Fully stealth exterior at the back as well, so the black badging continues. But then when you have a look at what I really like about these, have a look at that steering wheel. So I love a light interior. I think there's many cars out there with a dark interior, so it's nice to see something a little bit different where you've got that light cloud, but with the contrast of the ebony, I think it just works unbelievably well. It looks very, very high class. Now you've got a load of specifications standard on the Dynamic SE. The Dynamic gives you the exterior bit, the SE gives you the interior features. This particular car has a tracker already installed, so that'll come in handy, but then you've got all the other features as well. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, all on this beautiful steering wheel. Digital dash behind with your fuel, range, miles, navigation all on as well. In the center console, you've got that huge tablet, so that's got navigation, media, telephone, camera systems, which you've got several of. You've got a 3D one, aerial view, everything that will help you park it and drive it in any type of circumstance, really. Heated seats, control from here. The sliding roof's already back, but if you did want to close that forward, you can do. You can have it as a tilt if you want to let a bit of air in, or you can just have it open so it lets everything in from there. Beautiful, beautiful colour combination. All the right options from factory. Low miles. It's been very well looked after as well, which is important, and you've got loads of features in here. So beautiful car. Range Rover Sports have been selling a lot of them recently, especially when they're spec'd right. So it's quite a complicated used car market if you're having a look out there, because you might see a Dynamic SE, but that can be very different in what options they had from new. So it's quite important you get it right. This one, in my opinion, has been done right. So if you're in the market for buying a nice Range Rover Sport, this could be the car for you. Feel free to give me a call. My name's Paddy. You'll find my number in the description above. I'll answer any questions that you've got, and I look forward to speaking to you.